Tuesday, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see me as well as hear me. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. I'm Kim, of course, y'all know. Yeah, today is Tuesday. I'd like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been here since day one or been watching my videos for a while? Thank you for continuing to come back and check me out. Appreciate that, y'all. Now, let me tell y'all what happened to me today. Now, this morning, I should have known today was gonna be the best day. Because on my way to work, I got caught at every single light coming to work. When I say all of them. And I was running late. So now, I get to work. I get to work, go in the building, swipe in, go start my bus, like I normally do every morning. Oh, shoot, I forgot I got the vest on. Yeah, what time is it first before I get into this? Okay, I got a little bit of time. So now, I'm on my bus. Not on my bus. I'm on my bus starting to do my pre-trip or whatever. I guess go back to my car or whatever. Now, I'm getting out. I feel wind. I'm like, man, I feel a little breeze. What the hell? Not just on my face. Not just on this pretty face, I feel the breeze. I feel the breeze on my butt. Y'all. Why I got a big split in my pants? Huge. Okay, y'all. Get ready for this. Get ready. Here we go. I'm going to lift my jacket up a little bit so y'all can see. Look at that, y'all. Look at that big ass hole in my pants. Wow. Now, I'm at work. I'm at work. I instantly start panicking like, what am I going to do? I actually think I have some clothes in my car. I know I don't have any leggings, but I think I got something in my car. I should have put it on, but instead I just grabbed my jacket and wrapped it around me. I was gonna go home, for real. I was gonna go home, you know, because it's inappropriate. I'm a bus driver, even though I really don't have to get up, but still, I just didn't feel comfortable. So I goes back into, now I'm on the phone with the dispatch. I'm cursing and like, I can't believe this. What the hell? This and that. Oh my goodness. What? Yeah, just flipping all the way, not all the way out, but just a tad bit. Believe me, I could go to the extreme, but I didn't. So, so he was like, I don't have anyone. I'm like, I see this dude standing outside the building smoking a cigarette. You know, oh, well, he got to go out this and that. So, of course, I just end up just saying, chucking it up and just saying, oh, well, just got to roll with it. Ass out. Literally like that song. So, yes, y'all, that's how my morning is going. Ass out. Ass out. Wow. I can't believe this. These are some old pants. I've been having these pants for some years. And the pants, as y'all see, the pants are not tight. See, these are not like tight fitted pants. They're actually kind of loose. You know, I guess it's just, let me pan it down so y'all can really see. As y'all see, my pants, they're not tight at all. I got more than enough room. I guess it's just the fabric. Just old fabric. So, yeah, that's the dilemma for today. That's the dilemma. Your girl butt is out. Your girl giving everybody a peep show. Wow, I can't believe it. Yes, these the shoes I got on Black Friday. These are the Air Jordan 1s. Bloodline. Super cute. Trying to figure out if I like the black laces or I don't think I'm gonna do the red laces. But here's the red laces. And then they come with white laces as well. Yeah. Come with 3 sets of laces. Black and red, which is that. Then the red ones. And then white. So yeah. That's what I got for Black Friday. I actually got some more stuff for Black Friday. Let's go over here. That's the little Best Buy pot set that I got. Yeah. It's actually a really nice pot set. It's just the utensils is very cheap. I bought this set before. I got this set probably about 2 years ago. This is a set that they always have on sale for like $45, I believe, which is really good because it's a 11-piece pot set. You know, comes with the sauce pot with the lid. What did I call that pot? Stock pot with a lid, and then the sauce pan with a lid, and then a saute pan. And then it comes with all of those. Plus some tongs. So yeah, I mean it's a really good pot set. It's just that this time the utensils is very cheap. So yeah, I got that from Best Buy. And then y'all already know my candle deal. And I actually bought this was another Best Buy deal. Yes, this is a bourbon soap that I want Damon to try. This came from Best Buy, one of their daily deals. My other Black Friday haul was this. Some more of the L'Occitane stuff. I actually got this whole little set for $35. Which is a real good deal because y'all know L'Occitane is very, very expensive. So yeah, I got some more of the almond shower oil. Love it. Had to put them black laces on. Yeah. Do that look better? Black laces. These the ones with the black and red laces. Which one y'all like better? Or do y'all like those red laces? Or is this the vibe? Is that the vibe? Or is this the vibe? Huh? Yes, love that. That's the vibe. I can't do the red laces, y'all. Sorry. I just bought this cranberry juice yesterday. Oh my God. One day. It's already gone. Basically, it's almost gone. All right.